Hi friends, today we will learn formulas sum if and sum ifs. These are the two formulas that help you to sum based on certain condition or conditions. The first formula sum if is is an aggregate formula that will help to sum based on single condition, and the second one is sum ifs. Yes, there is a letter S that will help you to sum based on multiple conditions. Let's review it one by one. Let's open our database. So we have opened our file and there are some questions like for you. What will be the sales by quarter, by country, or by category? And this is our database that contains quarter, country, and category. We have sales value in dollar. So what will be the formulas? Yes, let's see for quarter. Our dataset contains 45 records and it has quarters like Q1 2009 to Q4 2010. So let's sum this database. So I will use sum if. As a type, you can see a screen tip appears below. It's asking for three parameters. The first parameter is range, the second is criteria, and third one is some range. What is range? Yes, the range is your quarter column on the database. So let's select the database, the quarter column. So I have selected here. As soon as I click here, you can see in the formula bar it appears the range. I click here now and I put a comma. As soon as I given the comma, it directs you to and asking for the criteria. What will be the criteria? So go to the Sumif and our criteria is this cell, which is Q1 2009. So I have done with the range and criteria. Now what is next? Yes, give a comma. As soon as the comma is given, the sum range will be highlighted and asking for what column we need to sum up. Now I will go to the database and select the sales column. That's it. We have done with the formula. So let's complete it by giving a bracket and given an enter. As soon as we have given an enter, it's started the sum by quarter. Let's drag it down and populate the remaining parts. So we have done the sum by quarter. Let's also validate if this is fine or not. So let's simply select this value. I have selected the column. We can see the amount here 43749. Let's also select here. This is the same. So this is the formula sum if, which aggregates by quarter. In the similar manner, I will do the remaining part. Let's do by country. Sum if range. What will be the range now? The range is country. What will be the criteria then? Criteria is North America. What will be the sum range? The sum range is column D, which is contains the sales value. Let's give it a bracket and enter. Let's drag it down. The shortcut is Control D. Let's do it by furniture. Suppose I need to say the sales by furniture. Sum if. The range. What will be the range? Yes, this is the range. The category. What will be the condition or the criteria? My criteria is furniture. What will be the sum range? Sum range is column D. Let's give enter. Yes, this is the sales by furniture. Let's see if this is the same in the database or not. Let's filter the furniture. Yes, this is 22,492. Yes, this is exact same. So you have seen the sum if. Now my question is, what happen if we want to see a scenario like this? What is my sales for Q1 2009 for North America? So here we have two conditions. One is a quarter, another is our country. So Sumif formula can hold only one condition. So we will see how sum ifs work. So let's open our sum ifs. Now it's asking for sum range. What will be the sum range? Yes, column D is the sum range. Now it's asking for criteria 1. What is my criteria 1? That is our country. I have selected the country column and given a comma. Now it's asking for what is the criteria 1. My criteria 1 is North America. So I have clicked on B1 cell. Now we are left with one more condition, that is quarter. Let's quickly give a comma and select the quarter column. I have selected quarter column and give a comma. What will be my criteria 2? My criteria 2 is this quarter. So we have done with sum ifs formula. Let's review it. The first is sum range, criteria 1 range, and the criteria range 2, and the criteria. So you can see this is the sum if, and give a enter here. So we are saying that Q1 2009 North America has a sales amount of 5,122. Let's match with our database. Let's filter North America Q1 2009. Let's do the sum here. Yes, it's $5,122. We are exact the same. Now how we will be dragging it? We'll click it here, but it appears 0. Why so? Because we have not fixed the sales. You can see some mess here, that there is no more conditions called North America. We need to do it, change the sale positions, but we don't want to do that. Let's Control Z for undo and go there, and let's fix everything by using $. press F4 once on the ranges. On the ranges, I have selected the ranges and press F4. Now how we will be do a fix for this header that contains the condition country. So my B1 cell contains the country, so I will be give a dollar between B and 1. So I have done. Now for this quarter condition, I made the fix. I will give a dollar in front of a letter A. Now do the copy and paste over the remaining. So we have done this. Let's sum everything and match the values. So it's 43,749. What is my database is saying? Yes, dosto, this is the same. So we have done. Now what is remaining? Yes, this is the dollar sign. Select the entire data. You can see right above there is a dollar sign. We have clicked here. As we can see, there are no cells after decimals, so you can turn it off here. In a similar manner, we can go to the Sumif page. We can select this range and click on dollar. That's it, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for listening us. Stay tuned for our next video. Happy learning.